In this video, I will show you how to make Saber plugin. Makes it easy to create a motion. Let's create a new composition, name it logo, and set presets to HD, 1920x 1080, 30 FPS, and click OK. Then right-click to New, Solid, name it Saber, and click OK. Then click Saber layer, go up to select Pen tool, and create pen marking, and going effect to search Saber and drag to marking. Going to Effect Control, click Customize Core and Core Mask to Layer Mask. Click Enable Glow Box to unset the mark. Click Render Setting and click Composite Setting to Transparent. And click Distortion, Core Distortion and Distortion amount to 75%. Wind speed 0.01. Noise speed 0.01. Noise scale to be 1 and noise bias to 3. And core size to be 0.5. Let's create a keyframes and click Customize Core, then click End Office Stopwatch and Start Offset Stopwatch, End Offset to be 0%. Timeline Indicator drag to 2 seconds, End Offset to 100%. Check Preview. Start Offset to 100%. Select both keyframes and press F9. Select first keyframes and drag to 1 second. You can see your effect very smoothly flow. Start size to 0. Then go to Effect and search to Roughen Edges, drag to Logo Composition, border to 0, and scale 10. You can see your particles very rough. Then again, go Effect and search to Fractal Noise, drag to your particles, going Effect Control, and click Transform, scale to be 1, and contrast to 500. Check Preview. Going to Effect, search to Colorama, drag to your particles, go Effect Control, click Modify, and uncheck Modify Alpha. Click Input Phase and Phase Shift to any degree direction. You can see your particles are more colorful. Then click Saber and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate and second Saber effect under the All Effect layer. Click Second Saber layer, click Render Setting, Composite Setting to be Add. Click to Distortion, Core Distortion, and Distortion amount to be 0%. And Enable Glow to click on Check. Core size to 4. Click on Saber layer, press U on the keyboard, you can see keyframes, select second Saber layer keyframes, and drag to 10 seconds. Your particles are very hard edges. Then click Customize Core Softness to according your particles. I am to 10% and end roundness to 0%. You see your logo very realistic. Then click on Saber layer and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate, and third Saber layer under all layer. Click on Render Setting, Composite Setting to add. Click on Distortion, Core Distortion, Noise Scale to 265, Distortion amount 25%, Distortion type to Energy, Wind speed 2.5, Noise speed to 0, Noise bias to 1.5. Check preview. Motion blur to 5, and core size to 1.5. Then click Saber layer, press U on the keyboard, you see keyframes. Select third Saber keyframes and drag to 15 seconds. Click Saber here and delete the masks. Then select Pen tool and draw anything. You like it? Go to the project, import your image, and drag to under the Saber layer. Click Image layer and press S on the keyboard to adjust your image. Then click Pen tool and draw your marking according your logo. Like and subscribe to more tutorial. Thanks for watching.